Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online by doing something fun and entertaining. All you need to do is to play some really cool games, and for this you'll just need a smartphone device or tablet and an internet connection, which I guess most of you have. And people from all around the world are getting paid again and again, and I'll show you proof of that. I'll give you several apps that you can use so you can maximize your earnings. You just need to keep watching till the end so you can get everything right. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online. And you can be one of the first to use it, and that way make the most money. And if you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. As I said in that intro, I'll show you various apps that will pay you just for playing games, and there is no better and easy way of making money online than playing games. You're basically having fun while making money in the process. So you can choose one of the apps that you like and pays the most, but the truth is, by combining all of these apps you'll be able to make more money. Now the first app I'll show you is this one right here called Mistplay. As you can see immediately when you come over to Google Play Store, this app rewards you for playing games. The most important thing worth mentioning are the reviews, guys, because they show how legit an app is and if it really pays. And as you can see, this app has over 100,000 of reviews with a rating of 4.2 stars, as you can see right here. So this proves that this app is legitimate and also a good one. Down here you'll see what you need to do and how you'll get paid. Discover new mobile games that are created just for you. As you play, you'll earn units. Redeem your units for gift cards to Visa, Amazon, the Google Play Store and more. And if you go over to their official website, you'll see that they also offer PayPal as a payment option. So this is really great. So you can get paid in cash too. And what is worth mentioning too is that they have paid over $16 million to their users from all over the world, which is a lot for a make money online app, especially for playing games. But there is a bit of a catch with this website. It unfortunately doesn't work for iOS. It only works for Android devices, so you can find it only on Google Play Store. But don't worry if you are an iOS user, because I'll show you other apps that will work for both devices. With that said, let me show you the next app for today, which is called Lucktastic, and as you can see right here, you can win prizes, real rewards and gift cards. And what you need to do is shown down here below. Lucktastic gives you fun scratch card games each day. Scratch off the cards and see if 3 symbols match. You can win cash prizes, in-app rewards, gift cards and more, all 100% free. Scratch cards, collect tokens and see how high you can rank. So you can play these scratch games every single day and you'll have a chance to win money paid through gift card and also cash. And before I show you how much money we are talking about, I want to show you the reviews. And as you can see, this app has a rating of 4 stars with over 340,000 of reviews. So this app is 100% legit and it's going to pay you. With all of that said, if you go over to their official website at lucktastic.com, you'll be able to see more information about the contest they offer. And as you can see, they offer a $1 million jackpot. Obviously the chances of winning it is really low, but the fact that they are offering to pay that much is crazy. Another contest they offer is this one right here, where you can earn up to $2,500. And if you scroll down, you'll see this Living Life contest with a chance of winning $25,000 in cash. And if you still have hard time to believe this, just scroll down so you can see all the people which are winning those contests and making money again and again. Now, the last thing I want to mention, which is also very important and you'll love, is that this app works for Android and iOS too, as I promised before. So you can get it on Google Play Store and also on App Store. Now it's time for me to show you the third and the last app that I have for you today, which is called Big Time Cash. And this is one of the best apps as far as playing games are concerned. How this app exactly works, you can see it down here in the description. All you need to do is to play any of our games and collect at least one ticket to be entered into the frequent cash prize draws. The more tickets you collect, the higher your chance of winning the cash prize. Check back at draw time to see if your name is on the winning ticket. The winning prize is paid out through a PayPal money transfer. So, you just need to play games in order to make money, and the best part is that they pay through PayPal, since I guess many of you watching this video love it. Something else worth mentioning is that there are no in-app purchases and no paying to win, as you can see right here. And let's check the reviews now on both Google Play Store and App Store. On Google Play Store it has a rating of 4.3 stars, as you can see, with over 27,000 of reviews. Meanwhile, on App Store it has a rating of 4.6 stars with over 5,500 of reviews. So all of this proves how legit this app is and that you are going to make money with it. And something else I want to show you that proves once again this app's legitimacy, I found right here on their website. If you scroll down, you'll come across this part when you can see, beside all the games that you can play, also the winners from this app, which are from all around the world, as you can see. And they have made literally thousands of dollars with this app, which is insane. And this also shows that it is available worldwide as well, so you can also be one of these people if you try using this app right away. And one of the best features about it is that it works for both iOS and Android, as you saw before. And of course it is legit. In conclusion, guys, all of these apps that I show you today in this video have three common features. They work worldwide, they are 100% legit, so you'll get paid by just playing games, and lastly, they are free. So I highly recommend you don't just focus on one of them, but rather on all of them, so you can maximize your results and earn money again and again. And the thing is that all you need to do is to spend some time doing something fun, which I guess most of you already do, which is playing games for absolutely free. So this strategy is perfect for all those who want to make some money online, even for those beginners who have never tried an online strategy before. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you follow me till the end of this video and got every instruction right, so you can start right away with this fun strategy.